Guys, it happened again. It is happening. The moment is here. The Lululemon Align legging family has expanded. They have added more things to the Lululemon leggings and I am so excited. You guys should already know I am obsessed with the Align leggings. They're my go-to leggings. Honestly, I have a lot more than I want to admit. My Align legging collection is pretty big and honestly, as soon as I saw these new additions, I had to go to my local Lulu and pick them up. These leggings are giving me the same vibe and feel and look as the All the Right Places leggings. They added pockets to the Align leggings and I was so excited. I just had to get them. So that is what today's video is going to be. I'm going to review them, compare them to the old one, tell you my sizing, how I feel about them, and trust me, I got a lot to say about these leggings. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. If you guys have never seen me before and this is your first time watching one of my videos, hey, what's up? My name is Alex. I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. I'm almost at 10k subscribers and that is insane to me, so definitely subscribe. I do a lot of hauls and reviews here on my channel. If you guys don't know, I do have other videos. I have reviewed the 25-inch ones, the cropped ones, the shorts that they came out with. My Lululemon collection at the moment probably costs around $2,000 just of Align leggings and of the Align family. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, but we're gonna get into this. So first, right off the bat, I picked up 3 different colors. I got the dark camel color, the navy color, and then just a basic black color, which this one I thought was gonna be my staple and I thought I was gonna love these to pieces. But if I'm being honest with you guys, a little spoiler alert, I tried so hard to love these. I really did, but I'm just not a fan of them. I spent $400 on 3 pairs of the new Align leggings. For size reference, I am 118 pounds. I have a 25-inch waist. Tall-wise, I am 5'4". I'm usually a size 2 in all the other Lululemon stuff that I pick up. The shorts, the joggers, the leggings, everything. I am just a size 2 straight across for Align. So these ones, obviously, I thought I would pick up a size 2 as well. Price-wise, these lovely leggings retail for $138. That's a big jump for leggings that originally cost $98 and then they just added 2 side pockets and a little bit more detailing around the bum and all of that with stitching wise, and they jumped the price to $138. I did pick these up in a size 2, which like I said are my normal size, but I feel like these ones are just slightly a little bit bigger than the other ones. When you get a new fresh pair of Align leggings, I feel like they are a little tight at first, but after you wear them they loosen out to a nice fit, and I feel like these ones are already fitting me how my other pair of Aligns fit after I wear them for a while. So these ones were made a little bit bigger. With quarantine, I know I have definitely not lost weight. I don't think it is big enough though to size down a full size. From looks wise, it is pretty much the same. These are high-waisted. They fit me above the belly button just like the other ones. Lengthwise and everything, they do fit me the exact same. As you can see, these are the pockets. Pretty good size pockets. I have an S20 Ultra from Samsung and these fit perfectly. So this is the black pair. I'll show you the stitching more for the navy because I feel like you can kind of see this one better. So next up we have the navy pair, which if you see the back, it does still have that triangle that the Lululemons are known for, the ones that like lift your butt, make your butt look better, yada yada yada, all of that stuff. I love Lululemon Aligns for that reason, but these ones are slightly different. They are not the same V shape. These ones are less like pointy wise and more kind of circular. Even when you put them on, they don't have the same effect as the original Lululemon Align leggings, which I was so disappointed for. These are my new pair of Aligns. I've worn them like twice, so they are pretty new. This, do you see that? How it's like very triangular like that? It's not as like pointy. Material wise though, it is the exact same material. It feels the same. These are my new pair of Aligns, just the regular without pockets, and these ones are the new with pockets, and they do feel the same, but this one is just, like I mentioned, slightly bigger. I love the way that these guys fit, but these ones are bigger. Here you can also see the stitching a little bit better with this blue. Hopefully you can see it okay. It kind of stitches like that, which the other ones obviously don't have. This is what the front looks like. The V shape that Aligns are known for some reason, they toned it down just a little bit I don't know why. They honestly should have made it a little more intense in my opinion, because I actually really like the like V-shape sculpting butt thingamajiggy that they do. Popping on here quickly because I think these are sheer. Lastly, these are the camo color ones that I picked up. They're like black and different shades of gray. It kind of looks like a little bit of a blue tint to it also. And the butt. As I mentioned before, I did honestly want to love these. I did. I tried to love these. For $138 just to get 2 side pockets and a lines that are slightly a little bit bigger than the other ones. I'm gonna say that these are a pass for me and they will not be staying in my Lululemon wardrobe. Moving on, a little bit random, but I did pick up some random stuff from like Starbucks and the Disney store that I wanted to include in this haul because I didn't know where else to put it. I went to the Disney store the other day when I went to go pick those up from Yorkdale, and my boyfriend bought me this. Look at that. Oh my god, it's a Beauty and the Beast notebook. It comes with a cute little bookmark and the pages are gold. And my boyfriend bought me this, and oh my gosh, it's so I can write all my like YouTube achievements and plan ahead for my YouTube, but I love it. The pages on the inside are really pretty too. Like that. It's honestly just a stunning book. This is the back. It just says Disney's Beauty and the Beast, and I'm obsessed with it and I love it. So shout out to my boyfriend. Thank you so much for buying me this. You're the best. I love you. Thank you. And then I also went to Starbucks and picked up some stuff. So I got a new cup. I caved. I said I wasn't gonna get a new cup. I caved. It is this one. It is the glass cup. It's like red and then goes to like a pinkish purpley color, but I like that it's glass. I'm starting to like the glass tumblers a lot better than like the other plasticky ones. So I got this and just says Starbucks on it, and it was like $30. And then guys, I saw this. My Starbucks had them on display that they were selling them. This is the sugar-free vanilla, which I heard that you can buy these, but obviously I've always just been too shy to ask if I could buy it, and I never really knew how to ask like, hey, can I have a full sugar-free vanilla syrup or a caramel syrup? And I was always just afraid of them saying no and me looking awkward and just being awkward. I'm just awkward, okay? So I never asked, and then I saw this, so I grabbed it, and I was debating getting the caramel one too, and I kind of regret not getting it, but it was like $11. I checked out. There was a lady behind me also who bought one of these, and she asked if they had any of their pumps, like free pumps that she could get with it. And I was waiting for my food because I got like a drink and food, and in my head I was like, wow, I should have asked for that. And then I was like too shy to ask for that, even though I just heard her ask for it, and the barista was like, let me see if we have any and I can definitely give you one. And in my head I was just like, oh my gosh, should I ask for one? I really want one. Like maybe I should ask for it too, but like I'm shy, like I don't know. And the barista was nice enough to actually ask me if I wanted one also, so she just gave me a free little pump. As soon as she asked me, I was just like, yes please. You just stick it in and it pumps. So I got the sugar-free vanilla one. I'm gonna test this out, and honestly I might go get the caramel one. But yeah, so it is true, if Starbucks has a lot of these, they will sell them to you. That is everything for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!